Welcome back to the latest car review channel. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is the first SUV produced by Ferrari, combining supercar performance with the comfort of a luxury SUV. This car is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 naturally aspirated engine that produces up to 715 horsepower and 716 Nm of torque, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds and a top speed of around 310 km per hour. The design is striking with suicide door rear doors and a luxurious cabin containing 4 individual seats. Unlike most SUVs, the Purosangue interior does not have a center screen, but 2 separate digital screens for the driver and front passenger. Equipped with an adaptive active suspension system, this vehicle offers maximum comfort and stability in various road conditions. Other advanced technologies include an all-wheel drive system, electric steering, and a premium audio system from Burmester. Let's review. The exterior of the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue looks dashing yet elegant with Ferrari's signature aerodynamic design lines. The body is sleek and proportionate for an SUV, featuring a large grille at the front, sharp LED lights, and functional air vents that reinforce the sporty impression. One of the most striking features is the rear-hinged rear doors, suicide doors, which are not only visually unique but also provide easy access to the cabin. Large wheels, muscular fenders, and an aggressive rear diffuser emphasize the high-performance character, while the silhouette maintains Ferrari's luxurious and dynamic identity. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, one of Ferrari's signature high-performance features. It produces 715 horsepower and 716 Nm of torque, delivering aggressive response and a Ferrari-like sound. Power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission to an all-wheel drive system. This combination allows the Purosangue to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of 310 km per hour. This engine is not only powerful, but also designed to deliver an emotional driving experience that remains smooth and stable, even in SUV configuration. The interior of the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue carries a luxurious and futuristic concept, but still maintains the sporty feel typical of Ferrari. The cabin is designed for 4 passengers with a 4-seat individual configuration, providing maximum comfort and personal space. One of the unique features of the interior is the absence of a center infotainment screen like most modern cars. Instead, there are 2 digital screens, one for the driver as an instrument panel, and one for the front passenger who can access entertainment and vehicle information. The interior materials use premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum trim, creating an exclusive and sophisticated atmosphere. The audio system uses Burmester high-end audio, equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. Other comfort features include electric seat adjustment with heating and ventilation, as well as ambient lighting that adds an elegant feel at night. The rear-hinged rear door design, suicide doors, also enhances more spacious and dramatic entry into the cabin.